Okay, so the thing with this guy, you can just memorize what the process is, but it's not going to give you any intuition. What I want you to do is think about what's going on here. You have this kind of window that keeps sliding, keeps sliding and sliding and sliding and sliding. And the reason that's happening is that, for example, right now the window is just 77, such that if you put f of 4, you're evaluating f of 4, this term is gone, and this is the term we're honing in on. But let's say we take, let's say we take 3 derivatives. This is the one we're going to be looking at. Why? Because this piece at f prime is going to look like 6 stuff squared, and then f double prime is going to look like 12 times stuff. F triple prime is going to be 12, right? That's because everything downstream is going to be gone by then, and everything upstream is going to get canceled out by putting in a 4 for x, okay? So that's why we have this moving window. But as the window moves along, you accumulate factorials. So, for example, let's look at what happens here when we get to the 6th derivative. So the first derivative is 3 times 6 times junk to the 5th. You want another derivative? Fine. Take another derivative. And then this guy moves, and then you get this guy down here, and then you get a 4. Okay, you want to take another derivative, then this guy comes down here, you see, and so on and so forth. So you're getting 6 factorial. You're going to get 3 times 6 factorial right there. So when you take, the 6th derivative at 4, these terms won't be active yet, and these terms will be past their prime. So the only one you're going to see is 3 times 6 factorial. Now you can't use this expression to get, f triple prime of 17. It can only be, f triple prime of 4. I mean, sure, you can use it, but it's just messy, because then you actually have to consider all those other terms. But this way, you're making a little window, and the window is sliding, and so that's why I'm doing this, because it's cool. So all you have to do is you just have to copy the coefficients, and this one is easier because you have more of them. F of 0 is minus 4147. F prime of 0 is 10,336. This one is this number times 2, or 2 factorial. And then we have 5122 times 3 factorial, and minus 1520 times 4 factorial, 264 times 5 factorial, minus 25 times 6 factorial, and 1 times 7 factorial, and then they're gone. Okay? And we just got these from looking at these coefficients, these purple ones. I can do some green ones. Okay, f at 4 is 77, so we just grab it from here. Derivative, whoops, there's no single second derivative. You have to wait till 3. But then it's 2 times 3 factorial. All right, there's no 4th, 5th, 6th is 3 times 6 factorial, and then you get 7 factorial and 0. Okay, so just, if you are still having trouble with this, just do it out once, and it should make sense.